Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. Today I'm just organizing my smaller stamp set and dies that do not come in a case. And right now I store these type of stuff within a scrapbook storage case, which I got from Hobby Lobby. So what I did is I went ahead and shop around my house and I found a 3-ring binder, and I measured that out and I went ahead and purchased some clear sheet protectors from Amazon, and they were measuring 5.5 by 8.5. And so I got 60 clear sheet protectors that came within that package. So that was a good deal. I don't think it was too expensive. And they're kind of flimsy, but it'll do the job that I needed to do. So what I'm going to do is take some white cardstock. The cardstock is measuring 11 inches by 8.5. I'm going to cut it down on the longer side, and it's going to come out to 5.5 by 8.5. It fits perfectly within the sleeves. So not only going to be a divider, but it's going to add some sturdiness to that sleeve too as well, and that's going to help me to be able to put stamps on either side of that divider. And it's going to keep the inside of the binder looking uniform by putting that white cardstock. You could use whatever cardstock you would like to use, but I think the white makes the sentiment pop, and I'm using just photopolymer, pretty much photopolymer stamps within this binder. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the stamps just down to the bottom and maybe take my Stamparatus, which is a stamping tool, and maybe stamp the whole sentiment and image to the top so I could see how the fonts and images look if I want to add it to one of my projects. Or I could put one large stamp to the bottom as well as smaller stamps to the top. I don't want it to look too crowded. I want to have the distinction between the different stamps. And also these stamps are stuck on top of some window sheets or some acetate paper. So I have window sheets, and I could cut out some window sheets to the size of the stamps, add that, and that's going to also add some sturdiness to the when I put my stamps within the sleeve, and it's going to make it look more uniform. So I have larger stamps here, like this one from Peachy Keen, which kind of fit within the sleeve. And I have some stamp set with its coordinating dies, like this particular one with paper tray ink that I'm going to kind of section together. So what I'm going to do, instead of putting the individual ones in the sleeve by itself, I think I'm going to add some magnet to it. And let's go ahead and see how it looks with the white cardstock behind it. Like I say, it's going to keep everything looking uniform, and I could put also something behind on the opposite side of the cardstock. And if you use chipboard, it's not, like I say, it's not going to show up as much, and it may be a little thicker. So that's how it's going to look, and I think this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to probably put some tabs to the edge of each, labeling the different. I think I'm going to categorize them in by theme, whether it's Christmas, birthdays, summer, fall, that kind of thing, and have some tabs so it's easy for me to flip through. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. I hope you guys got creative value from today's video. You guys have a safe and happy 4th of July. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on my next video.